Hey, can y'all read that? Y'all see what that is? That's what's going on this baby. This puppy here. Yeah, we're going to get them put on in the next. I want to get them on today, but I ain't going to be able to get them on today. It's too cold out. But I'll get them on tomorrow. I'll get them all welded up. And then all I got to do when I take it to the muffler shop is fun. Put me an H pipe in and put me a, run them over the axles and out behind the tires for me. But yeah, my man up at my local auto parts gave me a deal I couldn't resist. I got both of those mufflers for under $100. Yeah, I mean they what are they? 119. By the time I have them shipped, they 120 or 30. If I bought them from a muffler shop, that'd have been 150 at least. But I got both of them for under $100. Can't turn that deal down. But anyway, we're gonna work on this truck some more today. I didn't get the spark plugs in the other day because I didn't get the wires. But I'm gonna go ahead and throw these plugs in right now. This is what we're putting in it. All right, right there. That's what we're putting in it. Gonna put them in right now, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We'll see y'all in a little bit. Well, I dropped y'all. Let me see if I can't do it with one hand. Yeah, I can do it with one hand. What's the plug look like? So it needed plugs in it. That light's awful bright, y'all. Sorry about that. But so I got my boxes already numbered. And this will be the number 5 cylinder that we're putting in. And got the plugs already gapped. They come pre-gapped, but I like to check them. And torque them back in. Go. Yeah. Put the wire back on. I got some new wires coming. They ain't came, but I wanted to get these plugs in here. But these wires are fairly new, but I still wanted to put some new ones on. But we'll get them in. Okay. That's about the best looking plug I pulled out. Right there. But anyway. Number 6 going in. Probably should redo these brake lines right here because they in the way of everything. Won't take much to redo them. There you go. My next thing I'm planning on doing is I got a shroud coming. I'm gonna put the shroud on here, and I actually have a new oil sending unit to work with my new dash cluster that I got to put on. Got a new temp unit that I got to put in that works with my new dash cluster. I got a boot coming for that to cover those wires. It's gonna be a rubber boot, rubber sleeve. But I'm gonna get these plugs on here real fast. We'll see y'all in a little bit. Big Fish 8, 8473. What's up, YouTube? I didn't do an outro. Just came back in the house a little while ago. Wasn't feeling too good, so just come back in here and sit down for a little while. But we'll try to get back at it the next day or so. But I don't know, just started feeling bad. But anyway, we'll check y'all out. Subscribe to my channel, please. Hit the like button. Appreciate y'all. May the Most High bless y'all. You and yours, for me and mine. We'll see y'all.